So this is my dressing room currently. Yeah, a mess. A Christmas aftermath mess. All of my cosmetics. Why is it looking like this? These are all my Christmas presents. I got a lot of things. So I'm going to be out with the old, in with the new. Things I don't use anymore, get rid of them. A lot of clothes that I need to get rid of. And I'm thinking a nice colour coordination over there. Yeah, a lot has got to go basically. I want to move my dressing table over here and put this over there. Because I'm facing away from the window, like I can never really like get good use of the mirror, so I'll just move over here and do a whole rearrange basically. So guys, I actually rearranged the whole room. This just looks so much better like this. So yeah, I moved everything around. I haven't finished tidying and stuff, but this looks so much better here. Wardrobe here. I'm gonna move that mirror. Everyone, let me show you what the room looks like in the daylight. So yesterday I showed you guys the room, but look how nice it looks in the daytime. Like, I just have so much more space and I'm so happy with how it looks. The first task of today is we're gonna declutter this. These old mascaras gotta go. Okay, my dressing table is now all tidy. I'm so happy with this. So we have hair, lip, what's this called? Beauty blenders, jewelry, my foundations, all my makeup, palettes. And then we just have this kind of miscellaneous tester perfume that I've got going on here. Over Christmas I bought those people perfumes, so I kept getting testers, which it's not a bad thing, love that. But this is just so much nicer. I've also kind of sorted out my perfumes, so I've filled the domes up again properly and then just put these two for now. So I filled it with all my cosmetics now, all my skincare stuff, and it spins, my hanging clothes. We have a wig box over here, need to tidy that up. But this is how the clothes are looking. I definitely will hang a lot more because I have so many hangers. Now it's time to tackle the drawers. This is not okay. So the last drawer, I have put my shoes in these nice like things from IKEA. This is looking so much better. Here I have trousers. A lot of these need to go on sale, like not on sale, sorry. I need to sell them. There's jeans that like I've never worn before. Hello everyone, it's been many months since I have last updated you on this declutter room tour type thing. I look so crazy. There's actually been a change of plan. First I'm going to show you like the room now. So when I first started this video, my dressing table was over there and now it's over here. I have so much floor space. It looks so much better like this. But I will basically be redoing the whole room. I've got some floor samples here. I'm going to be getting laminate. I'm also going to be getting an IKEA wardrobe against this wall. A little filming space over here in this gap. Lots of things going on. But I thought I wanted to finish this video and show you like the room now, the declutter. And this is how it's looking. So we, like I said, have lots of space here. I've got this rail here, I've got some spring colours going on, some storage under there, a bunch of things that were meant to look aesthetic. This is like my gym stuff. I bought these from IKEA and they're just a great way to like roll in my clothes and fit them all in. I mean, it's a little bit messy. Here we have like casual tops. This bottom drawer is just a mess. Miscellaneous Christmas presents going on. Have my big IKEA mirror. And then this is my dressing table. Got some cute things here. Mostly from Primark, IKEA. This is my drawer. It's still kind of tidy since you guys last saw it. It's still kind of tidy. One of my favourite parts is like my glass domes of my perfumes, my brushes, they need washing. And then we have my wardrobe. Cleared out this whole bit and it's all like kind of an organised thing going on. So at the top here is random stuff. Skincare, we've got this turning all tidied up now. My Ren skincare, all my deodorants, sunglasses, designer bits. Dyson Airwrap, hair appliances, random. So that's all nicely tidied. I've got some shoes at the top there. So I tried to like colour coordinate my clothes and I think I actually didn't do too much of a bad job. I have got rid of so many clothes as well. We're just gonna close that drawer because that is a hot mess. Okay, we have my more like going out kind of tops here. Again, these things from IKEA. I'll link them down below. Got my bottoms down here. And then we have some like heels and shoes again, just kind of organised in some bags. And that is pretty much like my wardrobe. So I feel like everything kind of has a place. Everything is kind of tidy, but I'm ready for transformation. I just wanted to finish off this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys found some useful tips.